Hello everyone. So today again we are just going to read search study. Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the semantic search, right? So for the semantic search, I created the application, a code, right? You can see here in that code everything I will explain one by one. So let's telling about what is the semantic search. In technical word, semantic search is the technique that find the most relevant result based on the meaning of your query rather than the abstract text matching. Right? It use the embedding numerical representation. Embedding, we know that embedding is the numerical representation of text that compare them and similar metrics like cosine similarity, right? So here what we are going to do, you can see from line number one, from embedding Python, we have some embedding which we libraries which we are importing from here, and cosine similarity get embedding we are getting from here. Line number 4 to line number 10, you can see this is our data set, right? We created a data set. After that, we have created the document embedding, right? And then we have a query, right? Check the user query, like enter the search the query. That is user enter the something like AI and machine learning. It is also converted into the embedding after some calculation, and it calculate the some similarities, right? Result from here, and you can let me scroll it, right? Cosine similarities dog and then append it, right? And then what happens, it compare query with each document stored as a result, and find the what is the similarity scores, right? And sort the results. Basis of the sorting result would give the high score, right? Similarity high scores, and then show the top three results from there. Like, so these are the things. So let me run it so that we can understand. Once the application will run, then only we can understand exactly what's going on, right? So we run the application. Let Yeah, enter the search query. So we have a database, right? We have a data set. We can say a database in that AI machine learning. Let me write uh, AI. Let me write AI linked with Python. See, machine learning is a subset of AI. Deep learning improves the AI system. Artificial intelligence transforming the world. So AI linked with Python. It's my machine learning. Okay, let me rerun once again and give the exact value about the market. Now I will write the cricket. I love playing cricket. Football is the popular sport. AI is the transforming the world. So you can see 0.64% is the I love the cricket, right? So this is the very close to that query. So that's why it's a 0.64, right? Football is the popular sports. This is also part of the sports, so it's a 0.34, right? Okay. I hope you guys understand the things what I am trying to explain, the semantic search and top three results. But still, if you have any doubt, then please ping me. Please message me. I will try to resolve your issue. Thank you.